this is Ruth from Tijus Academy and I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is all about some idioms that we can use in OET speaking. So first we're going to start with black and blue, which mean bruised or showing signs of having been physically harmed. Example, his arm was black and blue after falling off his bike. Second one is clean bill of health, which means a report or a certificate showing a person is healthy. An example is, my doctor gave me a clean bill of health after my annual checkup. Third one is splitting headache, which means severe headache. I have been suffering from a splitting headache all morning. Fourth one is full of beans, which means lively, active and healthy. Example, my dad is getting old, but he is still full of beans. Last but not the least, pulled through, which means recover from a serious illness or treatment. Example, he had to undergo heart surgery, but he pulled through. I hope you all enjoyed the video and I believe that it will be useful for you, and I will be back with some other idioms. Till then, bye.